Hi guys, Dave here from Wolf in the Wild Survival. Near the end of last summer, I did a video about what I carry in my pack without going into very much detail about each item that I have. So what's to follow is a series of short videos of me basically doing gear reviews on everything in the pack that I've had for a while and used and tested, why I like it, maybe what I don't like about it, and why I still carry it. So let's go find a place to get comfortable and talk about some gear. All right. What would you guys like to see today? How about my sharpening kit? Bringing tools into the woods is kind of a no-brainer. People who go into the woods, they usually have a knife, sometimes they have a saw, an axe, a machete, something along that lines. And that's obviously a good idea. That's, you need that stuff. Sometimes people forget to bring the materials that they're going to need to maintain their tools. My kukri is a carbon steel hand-forged blade, and although honestly I didn't forget to bring the oil, the container popped open, leaked all over the place. It was a huge mess. I was not able to properly maintain my kukri while I was on a week and a half long camp trip, and I did get some rust on it. I didn't appreciate the fact that that happened, but hey, it's one of my tools, and it's going to get dirty, it's going to get ratty, it's going to get used. So no harm, no foul. But any longer than a week and a half, that thing might have really rusted out, corroded really bad, and it might have needed replacing. So you always want to bring things along to maintain your tools. One of those things are maintaining your sharpness. So first of all, I have a draw sharpener. It's a good way to cheat. This will sharpen an axe. This will sharpen your knife. This will, it won't put a razor's edge on it. You're not going to shave with it, but, it will work. On top of that, I have my Buck diamond hone. Two-sided, coarse and fine, and it will put a very nice edge on your knife. It'll work on your axe. It'll work on your machete. You just got to be very careful when you're working with a machete or an axe. You want to go in circles across your blade, keeping an eye on what you're doing, keeping your fingers away from the blade. And on top of that, this way here, I also carry an old piece of leather belt that I use as a strop, which has a buffing compound sort of rubbed into it, which, you have to put the buffing compound on every once in a while just to keep it, you know, keep it going, keep it good. I don't have the buffing compound on me. I needed that for another project. I took it out, didn't put it back. Partially because I'm still not done that other project quite yet. But all of that fits into a little sunglass bag. And then into my pack. And that's how I keep a edge on my edged tools when I'm in the woods. So nothing I don't like about anything that I showed you there. The draw sharpener doesn't do a great job, but if you really dull your knife, you can get an edge going on it, so that when you take it to the diamond hone, it's a little faster, it's a little better. It's better in carrying a sharpening stone too, because it's very lightweight. Whereas a sharpening stone is essentially a stone, a rock. You know, it's extra weight. So, yeah. If you're going to get a diamond hone, I recommend the buck. If you're going to get a straw, whatever you like, I got a belt. And if you're going to get a draw sharpener, you know what, whatever you have access to, they're all pretty much the same basic thing, as long as they got that carbide inside and not the ceramic. The ceramic is more of a finisher than a sharpener. So, yeah, that's what I do. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope it helped somebody. Hopefully you'll spend more time out in the woods, and maybe I'll see you there. If not, I will see you in the next one.